जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम नासिर जमाल, lecturer in English in Akhuwat College University, Kasur. My topic for today's presentation is the introduction of syllabus of English. The students of first year have to study 2 books of English in first year. One is named as English Book 1 and the second is named as English Book 3. Actually, these 2 books have 3 genres of English literature. Genres in simple terms called as kinds of English literature. First genre of English literature that we will study in first year is included in Book 1, and that genre is short story. There are 15 short stories of English, are beautifully composed by authentic writers. And in Book 3, we have 2 genres. Second genre which is included in Book 3 is of plays. Students of first year will study 3 plays. And the third genre which the students of first year will study is poetry. So students of first year will study 2 books of Punjab textbook board, that is English Book 1 and English Book 3. Now let's discuss 15 short stories in brief that the students of first year will study. Number 1 is Button Button. Button Button is a story of 2 life partners, a husband and wife, and the story gives us a moral lesson of simplicity and gratefulness to God and the contentment to God. It gives a lesson that things don't bring happiness in life. It is the gratefulness and contentment to God which brings happiness in the life. Students, all these 15 short stories which are included in our syllabus have moral lessons to apply in a practical life. The second story which the students will study is Clearing in the Sky. Clearing in the Sky is a story about a 70 years old man who has been advised by the doctors to stay at home and live life. Don't do any work in the life. But the old man didn't lose heart and he continued to work hard. There is a beautiful verse of Iqbal, इरादे जिनके पुख्ता हों, नजर जिनकी खुदा पर हो, तलातब खेज मौजों से वो घबराया नहीं करते. Students, this story Clearing in the Sky provides this moral lesson. The third story, Dark the War and Golden Night, this story is a science fiction. It has been written in against war and to promote peace. The story is beautifully written from American point of view, but it prevails all over the world. Its theme is universal, that nuclear weapons must be banned and mutual harmony and understanding must be promoted in life. The fourth story, Thank You Ma'am, also gives us a beautiful moral lesson about how to treat the young kids to give them moral lesson and training for their future life. So students, all these 15 short stories contain wonderful moral lessons to apply in our life. The piece of string is all about the truth. The reward is all about the determination. The use of force is how to behave with the doctors, or a doctor should behave politely, a doctor should behave according to his profession. This story is all about a family drama with a doctor. Gulistan-e-Saadi gives us wonderful moral lessons to apply in life. The Foolish Cake, in a comic manner, gives us a moral lesson: never pretend what you are not. Be original in life. A Mild Attack of Locusts also gives us the lesson of determination, that how much disaster you have faced in your life, you can put your life once again. You can start up a new era of your life. The Gift of Magi is a love story that gives us a lesson how to sacrifice your beautiful things. The third story, God Be Praised, also shows the contentment and gratefulness to God. It is the story about 5 daughters of a religious family. The 14th story, Overcoat, is an English translation of Urdu short story by Ghulam Abbas. And the 15th and the last one, The Angel, Author and I, the story concludes about how to live in life and get prepared to face God after this life, how angels work in this life. So students, these 15 short stories are really wonderful to study, and they all of them provide a thought-provoking material for all of us. So next we will study the second genre of English literature, which we will study in first year, that is of plays. First year, book 3 has 3 plays. One is Heat Lightning, that is a suspense action thriller. The second play, A Visit to a Small Planet, is once again a science fiction. And The Oyster and the Pearl, this is my favorite play among all these 3 plays included in the syllabus of first year. The Oyster and the Pearl is a story of simplicity, is a story of aestheticism, and there is a famous quotation that what does bring merriment to the tired old human heart? So there are 4 things that brings happiness to the tired old human heart. One is composing a symphony. Second is painting a picture. Third is writing a book. So these kind of philosophy has been created in these plays. And next genre is the genre of poetry. There are 20 poems that we will discuss in the first year syllabus. Students, you will study these 20 poems and you will feel that your life has been changed. These 20 poems, no doubt, I will say with authority and confidence, and I will make you believe that these 20 poems can change your life. It's all about a beautiful moral lessons about the life. Now once again, come to the previous slide to have an idea of the division of the marks for your annual paper. Because I have told you that the textbook of first year English have 15 short stories. So first of all, there will be English to Urdu translation paragraph, which will be of 15 marks. Because we have 15 short stories and we also have 15 marks paragraph of English to Urdu. And with this, students of first year will be asked 9 short questions out of these 15 short stories. And a student has to attempt only 6 short questions out of these 9 short questions. And these 6 short questions will be of 12 marks. We are talking about the importance of book 1. There will be 5 marks question about punctuation. We will discuss in a separate lecture what is punctuation and where to use commas, full stops and sign of exclamations and all other signs which is used for a precise English writing. We will discuss it in another presentation. Then we will come in the subjective part of about the plays. Plays There are 3 plays as I have told you earlier, and 8 short questions will be asked, out of which student will have to attempt only 5 short questions, and these 5 short questions will be of 10 marks each. Then we will come about 20 points, and 6 short questions will be asked out of these 20 points. 4 questions must be attempted by the student, and after that there will be a 5 marks questions of the reference to the context with explanation out of these 20 points. We will also discuss it in another presentation. Then other part that is called as grammar, we will have 10 marks for application or letter. Students will have a choice of writing application or letter in a same question. He can write application or he can write letter. And the next one is moral stories. 2 moral stories will be asked in the annual paper, and a student has to attempt only one out of these 2 short stories. It has 10 marks. Then we will have pair of words. 7 pair of words will be asked, and a student has to attempt 5 pair of words, and it has 5 marks. Students, subjective part is composed of 80 marks and the objective part is composed of 20 marks. In objective part, the first question will be out of book 1 and book 3. This question will be of synonyms, and this is of 10 marks. After that there will be a question of one word selection. It kind of a short question type of a question, that out of the book and the plays and the stories and the poems, there can be a question with the fill in the blanks, and the 4 options will be given to you according to the understanding of the text, and you have to answer 5. You have to choose, you have to select 5, and this is of 5 marks also. And then there is the last question in the objective part, that is correct use of verb. This is also 5 marks. So this is the paper marks division for the first year students. Dear students, if you have any question regarding introduction of the syllabus, that what to study in the first year English, and about the paper pattern, you can ask me question anytime. Thank you. I am Nasir Jamal from Akhuwat College University, lecturer in English. See you soon once again with the new presentation of our first lesson, button. Allah Hafiz, goodbye.